Hey, it won't even work with this one. For me.
You need to right click and then move your mouse.
Nope, it ain't working. Here it is.
No. You gotta hold right click and then move.
Nope, still not working, bro.
What? Okay. Are you on the IMAX? There you go, you got it.
Hey, apparently the photos don't give you money.
Do what?
The photos don't give you money. Hey, someone's trying to steal my Timbermist! No one steals my baby Timbermist.
Yeah, you need to lock it.
Yeah, no one better steal my baby Timbermist.
I shut the Timbermist off of us.
Why does everyone think that if I have this, I just record a video?
I love how detailed this Timbermist is.
Yeah, say it about my Timbermist.
Are we still gonna do the U-Ride and my TF thing?
Yeah, hold on, let me just test how good
I gotta
I
gotta respawn my Timbermist. Alright, I respawned it. What is today?
Do you see my turret moving?
Today's an ENH? That is not that bad. Yeah, I see your turret. That's pretty cool.
Do you see the camera moving by itself?
Yeah, and I just remember we're filming. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon.
Hold up. Boom, so I have two door fees. Alright, soldier. Show them what I'm about to send in chat, bro. It's so funny and it's so cool at the same time. It's door fee. Soldier.
Huh? What?
Look in chat in a few seconds.
Wait, Roblox chat or just chat? Oh, crap.
What?
Okay. Guys, do not ask. How did you get that?
Beam and G-Drive mod called Storm Chasing.
Wow, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, and I made a Toyota Tacoma or Helix.
Oh.
You spin me right round, baby, right
round. Like a record, baby, round. Bro, what is he doing? You spin me right round, baby, right round. Wait, let me try out the Dominator, shot the gun. Alright, angle. We got. Wait, you can open the doors on this Dominator?
Yeah.
That's
and Timbermist.
Wait, how do I open the doors?
You just click on the door.
I did not know this.
Hold on, let me see.
Wait, no, I did!
I want to see a screen.
Oh, you're deploying? Nice. Ah! Oh, wait, I got a door. Nice, that's nice.
Oh yeah, I'm going back to my turret.
Do what? What's wrong?
No, I'm going back in my turret.
Oh, you're back in your turret?
Yeah.
Well, can I
2,000 cape. It was raining today.
Should we go find a different server? Wait, no, Thomas, I gotta undeploy.
Hey, dude. I watched the video.
We gotta go, Thomas. We gotta go. Look below Hibbing.
I know, bro. Tibbing, more like tibbing.
Wait a minute. Oh, that storm's gonna be big. Yeah.
I'm using the iMac.
Wait a minute, where are we?
We're in Priel Lake.
Oh, I got confused, I think.
Dude, they named this thing the Coffin.
I don't see why.
It's the shape of a coffin.
Alright, I gotta respawn.
It's the shape of a dang coffin, dude. Look at it. It's a coffin shape. Hold on, dude.
Get in.
I'm gonna be your radar.
Oh, alright. That's alright. Well, I gotta respawn the tib on the grass. Hello? Hey, Gerald, do you want to join us on the fun? I can't move. I don't know why the tib won't let me move.
Check in settings if it's gearbox. If the gearbox is a change.
Alright, I think I can move. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Up, 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 let's go, let's go.
Move it, Cupcake, move it! Did you just see that drift, dude, bro? Hey, look, another Tivimus! Me bongo! Me bongo clap, another Tivimus! Tivimus! Wow, bro, that's easy. Me over here, I'm lighting up the city. What? Wake up! It's the first of the month. I'm the party together. Hold up. Soldier, how fast do you go? Soldier!
Yes, totally.
Oh, how fast do you go? You only go 95 miles an hour.
Alright, Thomas, this turn right here, I'm turning, so you should stay right here.
Nope, I'm going with you. This thing's an interceptor. When I say this thing's an interceptor, it has taken a blow from a goddamn EM5. But Soldier, I get my channel at the last week of Easter. Because I missed one day! One day!
Alright, so let's see. Rax pole is not scanning at the moment. How are we looking on base? Alright. We're gonna stop right here. We're gonna stop right here for a minute. You get behind those grain bins and start scanning.
Okay.
Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
We are way out of it.
Thomas, Thomas, we got rotation. I'm fixing to be moving onto this gravel road.
We got spinach.
On this gravel road.
We got spinach, dude. We got spinach. That actually sounds like my real life one. It sounds like my real life tornado sirens.
Okay, Thomas, if we keep on going this way, wait, Thomas, we're not way out. Thomas, look to our left. Stop. Whoa, monkey. That's an EF1. We got a touchdown.
Yeah, we're right out of it.
gonna do is we're gonna hit that. We're just gonna go straight for a minute. You stay here. I'm going straight.
Nope, I'm going.
Thomas, that is an EF5 wedge. No, wait, no, that's not. That's just a wedge. Oh, shoot.
Nope, that's an EF5. That's an EF5. Run, motherfucker. Run.
Trying to figure out how it's moving so I can get a good intercept on it.
It is moving. It's moving northeast. Moving northeast. I repeat, northeast.
Northeast?
Yeah. Look,
What about northeast?
look at the photo dynamic.
I know it is, and I don't like it. Alright, hold on. Base reflectant. How is it moving? I think we need to stop right here. Nah, it's still moving. It's an EF4.
Nope, we can't intercept on that road.
We can
Wait, are we
intercept.
still recording?
Yeah, we're still recording.
Okay, good.
This will be my first TIV intercept on record on Red.
Alright, dude.
Stop. Ho, whoa, whoa. Ho, Betsy.
Stop your vehicle.
Now keep going. Oh, are you getting in?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Get into
leave
the
my
camera. Get into the camera.
50 miles per hour.
Okay, I'm in. I'm leaving
Open the
my...
hatch. Open the hatch and take a photo now. Alright, turn it.
Yeah, it doesn't give you money.
Trying to outrun an EF4 is the hardest thing I've ever done.
How loud is my mic?
Thomas, we're about to intercept it.
What about an intercept road?
Repeat.
Oh shit! Closing the hatch. I repeat, closing the hatch. Oh my god, that opened.
I didn't place my pros, but it's okay.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We still get money from the
Frick it.
so.
Did we get hit by? We got hit kind of by the edge, but we might still get money. You never know.
Wait, it can still survive the wind speeds.
And we
if
got
you're
we have
driving still.
we have another tornado down behind us. It's at Hibbing.
Dude,
It's exactly
I
where
had
this one
wind-
was.
Dude, so I had wind speeds of 200 and 230 and
Thomas, we're gonna have to punch it. We're having to punch this tornado.
punch it, bitch.
Give me a minute, monkey. Let's go.
Tornado warning for.
Yo, I'd recommend shutting that. Bum, 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 bum,
Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Location?
Turn.
There is no turn. There's a turn up here that we're gonna take.
Oh, shit!
I hit a tree.
Go. You can get into the tornado attack and then we can go off road.
Why do you leave my hatch open?
I don't know. We straight up could have taken a road that went directly.
Thomas, I'm seeing power flashes. Where we might have a problem. It is an EF4 wedge, and that tornado that just touched down is already an EF4.
Tell me if you see a red car fly up into the sky like Twisted.
I see you. No, Thomas, don't.
I'm Twistex, motherfucker.
F5, Thomas. Why are you carring it?
I'm carring it. 150 error. I repeat, an error. Oh my gosh, how is an error?
Barack was gonna get hit like a freight train.
I'm carring it. I'm not What up, soldier? Do you know what happened to the twist stack?
I found the perfect spot for an intercept.
Okay, but dude, do you know what happened to the twist stack?
What?
Do you know what happened to twist stacks?
Yeah, they got lifted by an EF3. Earl,
Yeah, that was 2.5 miles wide.
El Reno. Thomas, this is a massive wedge. I'm calling it in.
I could get some money off scanning this.
Wait, Thomas, it's not a wedge.
The what is?
The tornado is not a wedge.
Gonna get cooked. Kurokura's getting cooked.
It's an EF5.
Kurokura's getting cooked. Wait, no, soldier, don't do it! Don't do it! Don't jump!
I understand it now. How the tornado's moving. Wait.
After this, you want to play some game mod?
Sure.
And we can do
Yeah, I got some mods where we can chase tornadoes in Gmod.
Yay. Oh! Here comes them sirens.
Carl, are you in Veracruz now? Alright, I'm fixing to be heading up to the Hala.
So I'm a dead end highway. Alright, dude, I made twist that screen. Alright, soldier.
Okay, yeah, it's starting to move up north, so I'm probably not gonna catch it.
I'm catching it right now.
I think I'm gonna no, Thomas. I'm gonna have to scout it. I'm gonna have to hit it with the Big Johnny. Come on, Big Johnny, let's go. Up, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go.
I can get a good scan on I'm gonna tell you the wind speeds, okay?
What?
I'm gonna tell you the wind speeds.
I see the other tornado in the background.
Alright, dude, they finally changed the name to the Kansas University Rax Pool. Oh yeah, University made the Rax Pool, by the way.
Kansas University made the Rax Pool. That's cool. Yeah, that tornado shifted big time.
What the fuck?
I said that tornado shifted big time. I might catch it getting up here, which is why I'm probably fixing to switch back to the TIV. Yep, TIV time.
Tivis time.
TIV
Pizza time. Pizza time.
No, my TIV jumped. Why did my TIV just jump? My TIV just bounced off the ground.
Damn, bro, what the fuck?
This one I might not catch it.
80 miles an hour, really? 92, 96.
What? I'm seeing power flashes, Thomas, so I don't know if that's true. I'm looking at your rack pole.
Yeah, I
Ooh,
feel
your
like
rack
that's
pole's good.
fake. So I'm coring it again.
Thomas, at this point, I might be the next one to core. So I'm fixing to be right at it.
I'm fixing gun core.
Why does this look so epic?
punch it? Okay, I'm punching it right now. This shit like an arena, bro.
Where are you going? Alright, Thomas, I'm punching it.
I'm pouring it, butterfuck.
So am I. I'm pouring it. You look directly behind the tornado, it's like I'm pushing it.
Use blankets or pillows to...
I'm pouring it, baby. I'm pouring it, baby. I see you! I see you! Do you see a red tornado?
I see it.
Tornado.
Bravo.
Look what I'm doing, Nosy. Just look. I'm making significant money by doing this. Here we go. Had to find a road. I'm inside of it. Thomas, I'm inside of it. Well, I'm sort of inside of it.
Okay, but dude, I have to.
Alright, I'm switching positions to the next road. Is that you behind me?
I see you! I see you! Do you see Dominator 3?
I see it. I see you, Thomas.
I mean, get that fast.
Hey, I turned right. I turned to the right. Is that right? That's not gonna work for me.
I just shot a rocket probe in.
How many more turns do I got? Alright, I'm gonna have to turn at Cherokeeville. Thomas, it's gonna die, I think.
No.
Tell me if there's a perk in weather.
Jeez, bro, this thing sucks ass. The rocket probe sucks ass.
Yeah. Bro, I was getting so much money driving right behind that tornado, though.
Yeah, bro, but I left because I gotta do the verification.
Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available...
Yep, it is dead. Tornado is officially dead, so I'm probably